This video will feature a walkthrough of the Hunt Group or multi-line Hunt Group in the Business Group Admin portal, also known as CommPortal Admin. To access the CommPortal, go to www.uyt.co and hover over Resources. From here, you can click on CommPortal Admin, which will lead you to the login page. To log in, enter your business number that has been set up through Utility Telecom and your personal password. If you don't remember your information, you can always give our customer care team a call at 877-965-7800. Once logged in, you will be taken to a home page where you can see sections for groups, all lines, and services on both the main page and the tab on the left-hand side. A Hunt group is a set of lines within the business that can be separated by each department as seen in this example. By setting up a Hunt group, members of the same department can be grouped together, which is helpful for answering calls when one line is busy or to queue calls if all members are busy. When you click on a group, you'll be able to see the Hunt group highlights, Hunt group members, and settings at the top. The Hunt group members section allows for adding or removing lines and changing positions in the call queue. The settings section allows the options to change call distribution, queue length, and more. Since CommPortal is a web portal, all of these configuration options are applicable across all platforms such as desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. If you have any questions that couldn't be answered through this video or through the help section of the support tab, we are here to help. You can go to our customer care page for a quick start guide or contact us at 877-965-7800.